Hi all, today's topic is regression line. Find the most likely price in a city A. We have to find what is the most likely price in a city A. X we have to find corresponding to the price 70 at city B. So Y, this is city B. Y 70 means what is my X it is asked. Okay. So what is my X it is asked means you have to use the equation, regression equation X on Y. Okay, suppose X is given, they are asking to find Y means Y on X equation you have to use. Okay, so table format it's given, city A, city B, mean is nothing but X bar. Okay, so X bar and Y bar it's given. So city A, if I take it to be X, so it is X bar given. So city B I take it to be Y, so Y bar it is given. Sigma X is the standard deviation, sigma Y is the standard deviation given in the problem. So all the four data is given. Correlation coefficient is nothing but R. R is given to be 0.8. So the regression equation, there are two cases, X on Y and Y on X. So which we have to use, we have to read the question properly, then only we have to decide it. Regression X on Y, because Y it is given in the question Y to be 70. So I am going to use X on Y. If X is given in the data, then Y on X equation you have to use. This equation is very simple. That equation also I will write. If they change the question to be Y on X means, so it is nothing but Y on X. So the formula is nothing but Y minus Y bar equal to R into sigma Y divided by sigma X into X minus X bar. All these formulas are available in my first video of this corresponding unit. You check that formula and you have to, then only you have to come with this video. Okay, so now X minus X bar, all the data first I will write it separate. X bar is given to be 67 and Y bar is nothing but 65. Sigma X is given to be 3.5 and sigma Y is given to be 2.5. R is given in the question to be 0.8. So all this data given. I am going to substitute in this and find the whatever the question it is asked. So now when I substitute in this, so it is X minus X bar equal to R into sigma X divided by sigma Y into Y minus Y bar. I need only X. So X equal to X bar I will bring to this side. R into sigma X divided by sigma Y, Y minus Y bar. Like this way I will write. Okay. So all the data you check. Every data I know in this right hand side. Substitute in this. So when I substitute 67 plus R is 0.8 into sigma X is 3.5 divided by 2.5 into Y is given in the question Y to be at 70. What happened? Okay. So 70 minus Y bar is 65. Subtract it, everything you do it in a calculator. When I do it in a calculator, I am getting the answer to be 72.6. My X is nothing but 72.6. So what is this use of this means? The regression equation. Okay, so the regression equation, whatever the data, after the data I can calculate or before the data I can calculate. It may be on X on Y or it may be on Y on X. Any data I can calculate it using the regression equation. The main purpose of this regression equation, for example, any one data you can check it. For example, if I have at 2020 what is my age, okay, I know it. Okay, at 25 what is my age, I can use using a regression equation I can put in this and approximately I can calculate the data. So before at 1985 what is my age, not only age, it can be calculated any data. It can be calculated your previous data or after the data. Okay, whatever the after year, coming year, you can calculate it. Both it can be done using a regression line. We have to use only on X on Y or Y on X. So that way if we use, we can calculate it. This is called regression Y on X. Okay. So most likely price in the city A is now 72. The most likely price in city A is 72.6 is my answer. Thank you.